Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be exploring Upvan Lake in Thane. It is an artificial eco-friendly lake in Thane, Maharashtra, built in 1880 by Thane Municipal Corporation. It was reconstructed by JK Singhania for the supply of water to the Raymond Factory. It is now regarded as one of the most scenic lakes in the country, famously known for hosting the Sanskruti art festival annually. Set in the backdrop of Yeoor Hills, it is a perfect setting for a picnic with your family and friends. Also known as Thane's Lover Paradise, the lake was once used as a major source of water supply in the city. Now, however, it is used solely for recreational purposes with several activities being provided. Best time to visit Upvan Lake is monsoon. Enjoy greenery and scenic mountains. The view of the sunset is spectacular to watch from the lake. The average time one would like to spend in the lake would be minimum of an hour. It is crowded mostly on weekends. The lake remains open throughout the day. There is no entry fee for visiting Upvan Lake. Photography and videography are allowed free of cost. The Upvan Lake is 6 km from Thane railway station. You will get auto rickshaw directly from the station costing Rs 85 on an average. The cheapest mode of transport would be local buses. You can take a bus from Thane station till Pailadevi Mandir bus stop or Upvan bus stop. This is main entry gate leading to the Upvan Lake. You can walk in 360 degrees around Upvan Lake. A long drive to the lake at this nature will be worth your time. Adjacent to the lake is the temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha for the devotees to offer prayers. It also has jogging tracks for fitness enthusiasts and cool places under the trees where you can sit and enjoy talking. Upvan Lake is one of the very beautiful and must-visit place as the hilly forest location and greenery around this water body attracts beautiful birds, butterflies, monkeys, tortoise and snake too. Here one can also view thousands of Ganpati idols which are brought here immersion on final day of Ganesh Utsav. The most sought out activity is boating, which includes 2 and 4-seater paddle boats as well as motor boats. Paddle boats cost 75 rupees per 30 minutes. Machine boat is 30 rupees. Boat timings are from 4 pm to 9:30 pm. At the center of the lake lies the statue of Lord Shiva, which was constructed to measure the depth of water around it. This step sitting is used for photo shoot and shooting serials and movies. Numerous stalls beside the lake provides food ranging from chats to pizzas as well as beverages. Upvan Lake Deck is a specially designed elevated area from where one can see complete lake view, best for those selfie lovers. It does have some seating arrangements which is a unique USP of this place to visit. When lights are on in evening, musical fountain tickles the mood, especially during those festive days. One should not miss going to Upvan Lake Deck area for few minutes and capture some photographs for future memory.